Hey gang, Matt the Helpful Home Inspector coming at you from home up in West Bend, Wisconsin today. And today we're talking about radiant heating systems and a piping that you don't want to see in your home. So this house has a radiant heating system. So we have these, basically water-fed or glycol-fed heating pipes that run throughout the house, and that is where they get the majority of their heat from. Now, in this home, when it was built, this product was used heavily. This is a Entron heating pipe, okay? And basically what it does is it manages the hot water movement throughout the property and gets this hot water to all the different locations and areas that it needs to go in order to heat and provide warmth to the different parts of the home. Now, as far as this stuff goes, this is an Entron 3. There was a lot of lawsuits around a Entron 2 product. Entron 3 was kind of having some of the same issues. And the issues that it's having is with water, the water actually getting oxygenated and causing issues with the metal parts of the system, okay? Now, this oxygen diffusion or whatever, it's something that can be treated in a number of different ways. You can get the pipe treated chemically. You can remove the pipe. As long as it's not leaking or causing damage issues, it's not that big of a deal. In this home, we have a couple of spots where the radiators are showing signs of leaking at the ends, where the entrance to the Entron 3 is coming into the radiator. So definitely something I'm going to call out at this inspection. However, other than that couple of spots, nothing else crazy going on with it. But it is a piping that you want to be aware of may be a problem in the future. So what you can look for on your piping is this little label here where it says Entron 3 by Heatway, okay? Entron 3 by Heatway. And it looks kind of like a garden hose. It's got a rough finish on it. It's basically just used for moving that hot water to different parts of the house. And it kind of moves through the home up in the ceiling here to get to all the different radiators and stuff. So the bottom line with this stuff is, you guys, it can leak. It can cause corrosion at the different parts of your system and stuff. And definitely something to keep a very close eye on if you're not going to replace it. You just don't want to have any major water damage or anything like that. Heatway, the company that made Entron 2 and Entron 3, were sued. They lost their lawsuit. They've gone out of business. They're bankrupt. Nobody out there to sue anymore, but you want to prevent water damage in your home. So looking to upgrade this stuff would be a really good idea. Thanks again for tuning in today, you guys. Remember, smash that subscribe button. Give me a like if you enjoyed the content. Bell notification to let you know when I'm coming out with new stuff. But most of all, you guys, I really appreciate you watching our videos, and thank you very much for tuning in. Remember, the better you take care of your house, the better it's going to take care of you. Have a good one.